Hello guys, how are you?
Live, open live, yeah?
No, we are here in the shop. This is our shop. I will tour you around here in our shop. Here in Kuwait. Kuwait. I will tour you around here. These are the flowers.
No, under no.
Yeah.
No.
I will not include you, don't worry. The gypsophilias and the orchid plants. It is just a small shop, though it's beautiful. Ang init dito sa Kuwait, grabe. Mainit sa labas. See? Mainit sa labas dito sa Kuwait. Ito yung ginagamit namin. Mainit sa labas. Kaya pumasok ako sa loob. This is my friend Betty.